In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an auto webinar date for Leadpages. Embedding a countdown for your upcoming webinar can significantly boost engagement and anticipation among your audience. I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and easy to follow. First, before we dive into Leadpages, make sure you've set up your webinar on your chosen automated webinar platform. You'll need to have the start time or expiration date handy. This is crucial as it will determine when your countdown timer should end or begin counting down from. Now, let's get started by opening your browser and searching for Leadpages. Once you've found the correct link, click on it to access the Leadpages homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. Otherwise, simply log in. Upon logging into your Leadpages account, direct your attention to the Site tab. This is where all your project and site management begins. From here, you can either select an existing site, or, if you're looking to create something fresh, go ahead and create a new site. This flexibility allows you to either incorporate the webinar countdown into an existing page or design a new page specifically for your upcoming event. Now that you're in the right workspace, it's time to add the countdown widget. Look for the widget toolbar or menu on your page editor. Drag and drop the countdown timer widget into the section of your page where you want it to appear. This could be your landing page, a sales page, or any other place that will catch your visitors' attention. With the countdown timer in place, you'll need to configure it. Click on the widget to enter the configuration menu. This is where you set the date and time of your webinar. If you're running an evergreen webinar, meaning it's repeatedly available for new viewers, select the evergreen option. Then, specify the duration that's appropriate for your audience. This feature ensures each visitor sees the countdown based on when they arrive, maintaining its relevance. Finally, with everything set up, double-check to make sure all the details are accurate, especially the date and time settings. Once you're satisfied, hit Save and publish your site. This action makes the countdown timer live for all visitors to see. It's a good idea to preview your page to ensure the timer is functioning correctly and appears as desired. And that's it. You've successfully embedded an auto webinar date in Leadpages. This small but impactful addition can make a significant difference in how your audience engages with your content. Make sure to monitor the page and tweak any settings if necessary as your webinar date approaches. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.